All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. It's going to be a really quick video today because I've just been doing the same thing for the last 3 weeks, but I'm just going to show you what I did. I had to crawl up in this little access area right here to access this fan power box, and then I had to jump over to this second access over here to splice the HC valve, which is just basically, I don't even know what it's for, but the wire's like 3 foot, so have to always extend these ones down on the first floor. All the ones on the third floor basically made it except for one. This is just an example of how high these are from the ground up to the ceiling. Just dragging around my 12-foot ladder, and I'm always on like the third rung down, so that gives you an example of how high these are. And then this is the other one in the hallway, which I had to drag the 12-foot ladder up there. It probably would have been better if I had a 10-foot ladder, but I didn't really see one, so I just took the 12-foot ladder, stuck it up there, and then I had to slide my whole body up through that hole because there was like 6 inches or 8 inches with the ladder in there. And then the unit is up here, so it's basically up in the ceiling on the back side of this, working on that one, so that one was fun. Luckily I had some studs to stand on, but it was hurting my feet after a while. And then this is the the last one that I was starting. I'm just working on getting some of the wire prepped down on the ground before the end of the day. And then I got a sponsorship from Klein Tools. Not really, just a joke. But anyways, I got a letter from Klein Tools. I signed up, or I sent in a request to get one of the stickers that they had on their Instagram page, and this is what it looks like. So it's pretty cool to finally get it. I didn't know if I did it right, but anyways, I'm excited to get it, and I'll probably stick it right in the middle of my hard hat because it looks pretty cool. Alright guys, well, I almost missed the video for today because I was in a rush to get out the door to my friend's house once again. So I just remembered to do this in their driveway. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it, and I'd love to see you guys back here in the next video. As always, God bless, have an awesome rest of your day, and don't forget to check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys, God bless, see you in the next one. Peace out.